doing a wellness check or visit for Nate, sending him off to Austria. His right leg's a little bit long. There we go. There it is right there. Clean that up. Check his thoracics. He's a little tight right there. So let's just move it. Good. There. Good. Lay with that side up. Straighten out the hip. That right leg that's long. There we go. Back on your stomach. Check his sacrum. That's a little bit off. We'll move that too. Lay with this side up. There we go. On your back. Check the neck. Make sure it's ready for those Austrian Alps. There we go. Right there. Perfect. All right, ready to go.